Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am your science teacher Aruj Ghaffar and today we are going to start unit number 5, that is the life cycle of a plant. Before moving forward, we must understand what does the life cycle of a plant means. It means how a seed grows from a baby plant to a complete adult individual, and then that adult plant produces seeds which grow into a new plant, so that the cycle of life of the plant continues. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the concept of life cycle of plant, learn about plant products, and learn about different stages of a flower. Plants as producers. Now, why do plants are called producers? Plants are called producers because they make their own food. They differ greatly in size, shape, and the type of environment in which they live. Coming towards the products of the plant, what do the plants produce? Plants produce various things such as flowers, fruits, seeds, vegetables, stems, leaves, and roots. And interestingly, all the parts of the plants are edible. That is, you can eat different parts of the plant in one form or the other. When you look at any garden, what is the first thing you notice? You notice flowers. Why? Because they have vibrant colors and they attract your attention right away. All seeds come from flowers. Flowers help plants to reproduce or make copies of themselves. How? Whether the flower is grown into a fruit or it stays as a flower, it produces seeds and then these seeds grow into a new plant. So, this is how the flowers help plants to reproduce or make copies of themselves. Here we have the stages of life of a flower. Firstly, a tiny bud appears on the stem of a plant, as you can see in the first diagram. Then, this bud grows into a flower, as you can see in the second diagram. Later on, the flower grows into a fruit, as you can see in the third diagram. So, there are three stages: bud, flower, and fruit. You must keep the sequence of these three steps in your mind. Firstly, the bud grows, then it grows into a flower, and the flower then grows into a fruit. For your home assignment, you have to fill in the blanks. All seeds come from dash. Second one is, first a tiny bud appears on the dash of a plant. You also have to draw the stages of a flower. Complete your home assignments and send them at this email ID. In case of any questions, you can always contact me at this email ID. This is all about today's lecture. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.